Here's today's Investing Iguana Daily SGX Market Digest for insert current date. Let's jump right in. Welcome to all Singapore investors tuning in. I'm Iggy, the Investing Iguana. And if you've just joined our community, you're not alone. The channel has hit new highs this month with over 10,000 watch hours and a growing base of curious retail investors just like you. Every day, we break down the latest from the Singapore bourse and zoom in on those crucial lessons behind the headlines. Whether you're chasing dividends, swing trading, or building your retirement portfolio, we're here to make the market simple and actionable. Singapore stocks kicked off Monday on a positive note. The Straits Times Index climbed 0.3%, with standout moves from IFAS surging more than 7%. Top Glove popped 5%. Bumatama Agri and YZJ Financial Holdings each advanced about 3%, while Yanlord Land and City Developments added over 2% and 1% to their tallies. Investors seem cautiously optimistic as earnings season hits full stride, and regional sentiment gets a boost from steadier global data. Will last week's rebound have legs? Let's look deeper. ASL Marine announced it's working hand-in-hand with the authorities after the tragic fire at its bottom shipyard on October 15th. 13 workers lost their lives, and 18 were injured during repair operations on a tanker. The company confirmed that all work on the affected vessel has ceased for now. Despite the heavy news, ASL Marine shares climbed 5% or $1, closing at $21 last Friday. This is a stark reminder for investors about operational hazards in industrial sectors. While the market pushed the stock up, perhaps betting on limited direct financial fallout, reputational and regulatory impacts can linger. For portfolio builders, weigh safety records alongside earnings before getting excited by a single-day price spike. Responsible governance is just as important as financial results, especially for small and mid-cap counters. MM2 Asia revealed a fresh legal challenge after receiving an originating claim from Fraser's Centrepoint Trust for $2.6 million tied to its Cathay Cineplex's outlet at Causeway Point, currently in voluntary liquidation since operations stopped on September 1st. Despite the legal drama, MM2 Asia's shares stayed flat at $0.03 to close out the week. When entertainment and property deals collide, legal woes can muddy the picture. MM2 Asia's volatility isn't just about movie ticket numbers. It's about legal risk and asset value recovery. For investors, stay sharp. Headlines like these can mean more uncertainty, even if the share price doesn't budge. Always check debt loads and off-balance sheet liabilities when screening for turnaround plays in this sector. With resilience showing in selected stocks despite sector hiccups, this week's theme is adaptability versus risk. Investors are right to be enthusiastic about momentum, but don't forget to look beneath those rising numbers. Focus on quality, management integrity, and risk controls as earnings season brings surprises, and keep your radar tuned to shifting policy and regulatory winds. Remember, every headline has two angles: what the market does and what the market means for you. Thanks for reading. If you found today's digest valuable, drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Want deeper dives and exclusive analysis? Sign up for our premium newsletter and join the Investing Iguana community, where every investor can grow their edge.